Welcome. In this video, we'll learn about locations, floor plans, and points of interest within the Appspace environment and how to set them up. A location is a container where users and reservable resources may reside. From the Space Reservation's perspective, establishing a hierarchy of locations is a simple way to organize the geographical distribution of reservable resources. Geos, campuses, and buildings can be set up as required, and within each building, floor plans can be loaded as images to be used to map the resources for end users to visualize. Supported file formats for floor plans are SVG, JPEG, PNG, and GIF. Vector-based image formats are recommended for their performance in web applications. It's important to take into account that the complexity of the images is directly tied to how the maps will respond. On any loaded floor plan, points of interest can be added directly over the map. For example, desks and conference rooms are some of the preloaded resource types. However, other points of interest such as elevators, bathrooms, and stairs are among the many options available to choose from. There are customization options for every mapped point of interest, and they can be done individually or in batches. Check out our other videos or our Knowledge Center to learn more about the Appspace Space Reservation experience.